Hey Dirtydog fans, today we are going to do an install on a Safari length sunscreen on a two-door, and this is a sunscreen that goes from your front windshield basically to the back here. If you just have the front sunscreen, you can look at the four-door sunscreen installation for the front. That shows you how to install the front piece only. We're going to show you how to install today. It's very simple, very operates, it's very much the same way. So in your package, basically all you have is your sunscreen. All the straps are sewn to it, nothing's loose or free. So let's start with the install. All right, for the install the the sunscreen Safari length, here's what we're going to look for first. You're going to look for the front. The leading of it. The front has a ladder lock on one side and a long strap out the front on one side. So you've got a right and left side here. You can tell your top, basically, the finished side of your ladder lock is classified as the top of the sunscreen. So that's your underside, that's your finished side. So it's going to look like this when you go to install it. So first thing I do is you got to slide this strap in between the front roll bar and the windshield. And what it is basically you've got to push the strap through. There's like a weld mark here you're going to see that you're going to follow with your strap. So you're just going to push the strap through. Sometimes you have to, your strap is kind of curled up this way, just bend it so that's on a curve down. You're just going to basically push it through, follow through, keep pushing. You should be able to reach on the underside and see it come out on the underside. And then what you're going to do with this strap is you're going to pull it off to the outside edge here. So you're going to pull it off, and this is where you're going to connect to the cam buckle. And this will reach on the underside. So you're just going to, and don't put them on tight. Put all your straps on loose to start with, just to get them started. And you're going to go around after and tighten it. So we're going to go to the other side now. We're going to do the same thing. Same thing here now. Curve it down. Follow on that weld mark. Get your strap through. And this ladder lock is going to be visible on the underside, and we'll tell you why that's going to be on the underside. You'll see later on why we do that. So now we're going to go back, and you keep following back, and you got your neck strap back, just wrap straight around the roll bar, like so. Just getting loosey, doesn't have to be super tight. We'll go do the other side. Okay, so now your neck strap is, you've got a long strap here and you've got a cam buckle here. So basically what this is you got this strap is going to come on the inside, over and around, and through that ladder lock right here. And again, just put it on loosely, put it on set, we'll go do the other side. Okay, and now we got our last two straps here at the back, or three straps to the back. Very simple, around the roll bar. And we'll just do all three on this side, and then we'll go around and do the other side. Through. And the last one here goes around the outside. It comes around your seatbelt post. So what you have is your seatbelt post here. Just put it around there and then back through the ladder lock. Again, don't over tighten these right away because you won't have enough room on the other side to put your tighten up. So now that we got every strap on loosely, what we're going to do is start at the front of the vehicle and equally on both sides, keep tightening our straps. We're going to go around the vehicle and we're going to get them all set and even so everything looks even top, and you can take a step up in your bumper, you can take a look and make sure everything's all nice and neat and tidy. So now that we've gone through, we've installed, make sure everything's centered, neat and tidy. We now just take our excess strap, so we've got that one loose still. We take our excess strap and we can feed it in underneath at the top and just tie your extra strap, protects your buckle as well too. Same thing with this one. We feed it around underneath the strap. So what that does, that cleans up the look. And you can do that all the way around your straps, all around, all your extra strap. Same with this one up here. So we can go around and do that after. The The reason we have this strap here where it's hanging on the inside, when you open and close your soft top, you're going to need to get your space to get your a latch to open and close it. So what you want to do is just loosen it off, you can pull it back, do your latch, and then put your visor up, crank it up again, and you're back in business. For if you're using a hard top, it's a little more difficult on the hard top one. You got to reach in for using the Safari length. Loosen off as much as you can. You're going to pull it down. You got to reach in here to get at your tabs to open and close the hard top. But that's what you need the access to get in here for. Once you get your hard top installed, same thing. Just crank these tight again. Close your visor up. Crank those up tight again. And again, you hide your strap. You can fold it up, the excess strap out of the way, and that's it, and you're installed. So it can stay on with soft top or hard top. You don't have to take it off all the time. Some people like taking off. If you use both tops, switch winter to summer. Some people use it with their soft top, take it off in winter time, put their hard top on. Everything's your choice. All right? Have a great day.